Hey guys, what I got coming up on this two videos is the first one I'm gonna film with the 18-55, and the second video clip is the 18-135. This comes with the STM motor, so it's much more quieter than this one, and you could really tell the difference once you hear it, and you could decide for yourself if you should go ahead and step up to this one. And you could tell by the zoom too, so take a look at the zoom, how far it goes into the bushes, okay? Hey, from the videos you could tell that this 18-55 was making a lot of noise when I was trying to focus, and this one you can't even hear it in the video, especially for outside filming. You know, even the ambient noise was overpowered by the focusing on the 18-55. So if you're gonna do a lot of video, I definitely would recommend you to go with the 18-135. Hey, thanks for watching.